Hi everyone, in this video we will be guiding you step by step on how to use Clipchamp video editor. It is a free video editor that comes pre-installed with your Windows 11 PC, but if you are on the previous version of Windows or if you want to use this on MacBook, you can do that. For that you have to go to the website clipchamp.com and you can use this video editor there online for free. So today we'll be guiding you how to use this. So let's get to the video. Open any web browser and go to the website clipchamp.com. Click on try for free. You don't need to create an account to use Clipchamp. So this is the home page of Clipchamp. Click on create a new video. This is how the timeline looks. So we have major functionalities here on the left hand side and few of the functions are available here on the right hand side. The first option here is import media, using which we can import photos and videos from our PC to edit those photos and videos here on the Clipchamp. Then we can go to the record option. Here we can record our screen, we can record our webcam to create tutorial videos. We can also use the functionality of text to speech, where we will input the text and Clipchamp will create an audio for us. Then we have templates here. We can create videos for Instagram and YouTube from these templates. Then we have music, text, we can add graphics, and then we have stock video and stock images also to use them to create videos. Then we have transitions here. Let's start with the very first functionality, which is import media. I'll click on that. Here I will import the video which I have on my desktop. I downloaded this video from Pexels.com. The video is inserted here, so I will now add this to timeline. You can simply add this to timeline either by clicking on plus button here, or you can drag it and drop it here. Let's have a preview of the original video. We'll be editing this video today and we'll change it as per our liking. Now firstly I'll make a few basic changes into this video. As you can see, there is a difference here. There is a gap here which I want to fill with this video. So I'll click on this option, fill. If you don't want it, you can go it back like this. Now if you want to crop this video, you can crop it from here and then you can drag it to crop it. If you want to go back, click on this video, click on crop, revert to original, and then click on done. I will use fill here to make this video fill the entire screen. Now I will also make changes to the color of this video. With this video layer selected, I'll go to adjust colors here on the right hand side, and here you can increase or decrease the transparency. You can make changes to the exposure, contrast, and to the temperature. Increase the temperature a little bit. Now you can make other changes like filters. You can apply filters to this video. Some of them are paid. Those with the diamond icons are paid and some of the filters are free. Let's see which one looks good. You might not need to use them. This is strictly your choice. This one looks good. Let's select this. Now I also want to increase the speed of this video. I can do that from this option here, speed, and I can increase or decrease the speed of this video. Let's make it 1.5. Okay, let's preview what we have achieved till now. This is how the video looks. Now I want to add text to this video, so I'll go to the text option here. Multiple style options are available here. I'll use this one. Simply drag and drop this to the timeline. Now using this layer, we will be able to see what changes we will be making to this text. Now with this text layer selected, go to the text menu here and change the text the way you want to change it. Change the font of the text from here. Go to colors, change the color, of the text like this. Then go to transform to increase or decrease the size of this text. You can also change the position of the text on the video like this. Let's keep it in the middle for now. Then you can also apply filters to the text, and you can adjust colors of the text just like we did for the video. Now the third thing is, if I want to split this video, basically I want to arrange these two equally. I want the text and the video layer to be equal in size. So I want to split this video from here. So I'll bring this layer here. With the video layer selected, I'll click on split. So this part has been separated. Now I'll right click on this and I'll click on delete. Now I want to add audio or music to this video. So I'll go to the music here. Free to use music is available. Now let's see. This one is nice. Add this to timeline. This will take a little bit of time to get inserted onto your timeline. Let's arrange this with our video and the text layer. Now the thing is, I am not able to see the entire audio as it is quite big in size. So I'll have to zoom in, zoom out a little bit on the timeline from here. Let's zoom out so that I can see the entire layer of audio. Yes. So the basic purpose of doing this is to get a hand on this layer. This tool of ours. Let's bring it here. Now zoom in so that we can have a better view of all the three layers. Bring it here. Now I want to split the audio as well. I only want this part of audio. I don't want this part. So with this audio layer selected, I'll click on split. Then I will right click here and click on delete. Now with this audio layer, if I want to increase or decrease its volume, I can do that. With this audio layer selected, go to audio option here, and here you can increase or decrease the volume. Let's decrease it a little bit. You can also change the speed of audio just like the way we did for the video, but right now let's keep it at normal and preview what we have achieved till now. This looks nice. When you are ready, you can simply click on export and you can export it at 1080 pixels. Your video will be saved to your computer. 1080 pixels is the maximum quality offered with the free version of Clipchamp.
I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.